Hola! Hello, welcome back. Let's roll the dice and see which envelope has a message for us today. Number 1. Holding a grudge doesn't make you strong, it makes you bitter. Forgiveness doesn't make you weak, it sets you free. There are still people you haven't met and things you haven't experienced yet. Live your life and forget your age. Absolutely. If it matters to you, then it's important. You don't have to wait till January 1st to change your life. You can start at any time. And the last one. Forgive those who didn't know how to love you. They were teaching you how to love yourself. Isn't that the truth? Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios.